Extras, like, we gotta. So today we are doing a spread mukbang. We have the noodles, we got the oysters, we got the tuna, we got mustard, and we got mayo. So let's just get right into it. We got our crackers. You can't eat a spread without crackers. Well, I eat my spread with crackers. So that's what we're gonna do today.
This reminds me when I was in prison. I'm saying, I used to eat this all the time. I've never been in prison.
He ain't never been in prison. He definitely ain't no game maker.
Nope. I never said I was.
So the point of us doing this for today is because you know how Be Lovelies and everybody else, they be doing that little crab and lobster and you know, mussels and
Oh, we can't afford all that.
all that.
Show this little thing right here. Hold on. This is what we could have.
So we're gonna start a new challenge, and it's gonna be a spread mukbang. For those of us that ain't got 200, 300,
How much all this cost, man?
it's about $10. Okay, mukbang. Mukbang for your butt. That's what. Oh, we got orange juice. I mean, we do got the premium orange juice, you know what I'm saying? But that's about it.
Sunny side. Sunny side orange juice.
So I want to give a shout out to Be Lovely because I've been watching her video consistently for like 3 days straight, and I've been wanting some crab, I've been wanting some seafood and lobsters, and I've been watching other people's YouTube too, but you know, Be Lovely is like the most popular, I guess, person that does a little mukbang thing. So yeah, because I couldn't buy all that stuff, this is what we're doing today. And in my opinion, it's just as good. It might even be better. What you think?
No.
What you think? I mean, I think if Be Lovelies came and ate some of this right here, she'd be hooked. Okay, she'd be asking me for the recipe for this. Although I give out the recipes, but you know, you gotta put the special, like, you gotta put the special touch on it.
Which is what? It's a secret.
My love, like, enjoy. So yeah, all this was like $10. And we gotta act like everybody else. We gotta go, It's so good. That's what we gotta do. We gotta. It is good though. Like, it is good.
It is good.
But I just broke my cracker. But we gotta do the extras. Like, we gotta.
You're weird.
We gotta do all that.
Not all that.
We really do.
Yeah, licking the fork.
Cause it's that good. Like, this is as close as we was gonna get to some seafood right about now. So if you close your eyes hard enough, it tastes like crab. It tastes like shrimp with the butter.
Where do you learn how to do this spread, man?
With the butter and everything.
I'll say jail because you've never been in jail either. Who taught you how to do this?
I've been closer to jail than you.
No, you haven't.
Bet.
I spent the night downtown. You ain't never spent the night in jail.
Boy, fucking boo.
I've been,
Wow.
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 I've been in handcuffs more than I've been in jail.
You want some of this? I don't know what's wrong with mine, but. Anyways, this is not what Be Lovely talk about. She talk about.
What's she talking about?
So when you pick the noodles, you gotta get the noodles that's like, you know what I'm saying? When you buy your noodles, buy it around the first, because you know a lot of people go and they like get noodles and stuff like that. So you get your noodles around the first, because you know it's the noodles that's not stale or anything like that.
That's what she talks about?
No, she talk about her crab, but since we ain't got no crab to talk about, I gotta talk
Is that
about
about
like
noodles?
picking the right, picking the best noodles.
Picking the fresh noodles?
Mm-hmm. And the whole point, and when you eat the spread, it's supposed to like be messy. So yeah.
You're supposed to be messy with
Mm-hmm.
it?
You ain't supposed to use your manners and. This crab is making me full, baby.
There's crab.
Mm-hmm.
There's the ghetto crab.
There's shrimp up in there, boy. That's that good shrimp.
Some lobster in there.
It's got the potatoes and everything. This is yours.
Mm-hmm.
Look, potatoes and everything. I just spilled some.
We'll get there.
We gotta clean up this place up. So we gonna need y'all to like. We gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. So you know what I'm saying. We'll be able to afford the real deal Holyfield.
They should comment like.
Like what?
What's their favorite spread? Because there's like all kinds of spreads.
Comment if you guys ever had a spread or ever heard of a spread. And if you have, there's so many ways to make it. Like, there's probably 1,000 ways to make a spread. This is just how, like. But yeah, comment below how you have ate a spread, how you make a spread, or how someone you know made a spread. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching our video.